Okay, so this video here is question 3, 2019. The axonometric axis is required for the isometric projection of the petrol pumper shown. The elevation in view in a 3D graphic of the pumper also shown. Part A. Draw the axonometric axis shown. Draw the given elevation, incline to 15 degrees as shown. Draw the given end view, incline to 15 degrees as shown. And draw the completed axonometric projection of the petrol pump. Okay, so I've done a 3D model here for you. That's an isometric. This is something called dimetric. You don't need to know what that word means. And I've incorporated hidden detail to show you that the distance either side of the cylindrical disc is equal. Alright, just so you know, you don't include hidden detail in 3D normally. I've just done it to help you guys understand. Okay, so I'm going to get started on the first part of this question. Right. So I'm drawing my y-axis. My x-axis and now my z-axis. Okay, now to draw the given elevation as shown. Okay, I'll just zoom out here now. So I can extend on my z-axis. Alright, I'm going to get my 60, 30 and 45 degrees set square, and I'm going to put the two of them, one sitting on the other. So the 60, 30 sitting on the 45 degrees set square. I'm going to put the 45 degrees set square on my t-square. So I'm going to draw in a line here. This is at 75 degrees, so it's inclined to the at 15 degrees to the y-axis. And I'm going to mark along here. So in here we're going to fit the dimensions. So the dimension along the bottom is 50. Okay, and then our dimensions going along the top here is 90. 30, 0. And then it's 70 up along the top. So I can mark 70 here. And now these are going to join together. Inside one here is parallel. So these two lines are parallel. These two are parallel. Then we can do the lines going across. Now, so the final thing we have to do in our elevation is drawing this circle here. So here's the start point of the center, and there's a point on the petrol pump for its radius. So there we go. Now, we can start on end elevation here, the end view. Zoom in there, make it better. And what we're missing is the height of that. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw in a line here parallel to the edge of the petrol pump, so it's that it's inclined at 15 degrees off vertical, and it's going to pass right through the center. Okay, and we'll need the height of that there to transfer it over. Now we'll start on part 3, draw the given end elevation. So I'm going to extend on my x-axis here on upwards. Whatever distance I want to go out is fine. So I'm going to put my 60-30 set square sitting on my 45 degree set square, and then my 45 sitting on my t-square. I'm going to draw a line here at this angle, so that's 75 degrees or 15 degrees off vertical. And then I'm going to draw this one here through it. Now I'm going to mark the distance of 30 along the bottom, and the 10's in there. Then going upwards, I'm going to mark 90 millimeters, and then every 3. So 30 mil here, and 30 mil here. So that has the height of the petrol pumps here. Now, to get the circular disc, or the cylindrical disc rather, I'm going to take the height of this here from elevation using my compass. I'm going to lift and mark it over here. So I'll just zoom out there to catch that. So I took that distance with my compass. Tiny bit off. And I'm going to transfer it over here. Right, now draw the lines over. And then we can start heading in our end elevation. Sorry there, I just need to, that should be hidden detail. Now, we're ready to get started. Right, so we'll keep it simple. Let's do the bottom pump first. A, B, C, D. Okay, when you're looking from the front of it, A, B, C, D. Okay, when you're looking from the side, B/A, so the end elevation, D/C. Now, let's just bring those points down now. Let's keep it simple. So 30 degree line down from D and C, 30 degree line down from B and A. 30 degree lines now down from D B, A, and C. Now, this is C, and A is above it there. So, heavy line in there. Here's where D meets D is point D. So, heavy line here for point D. Now, where B meets B is point B. So, I'm going to bring B down, where they intersect is here. And then B joins to A, and it's not going to be vertical. It shouldn't be. So there's B, or sorry, that's A, B, and D. Now, let's deal with this here. Okay, E, F, I might zoom in here a bit to help. G, H. So where are these letters when you're looking from elevation? Right, this one. E, A slash F. So F's on the inside. G, H. Now over here, alright, when you go in, looking from the end view, H comes first. H slash E. G slash F. So we're going to do the same again. We're going to bring those points down. So just 2 points to bring down from end elevation. 3 points down to bring down from elevation because F has essentially already been done. Now look, where F meets F is point F. Where E meets E is point E. That's where they are together. So E joins to F. So I'm going to join them together. F join, now sorry, I shouldn't have heavied them all so far. Slow down there. So there's E. I'll just slow down there before I heavy them in. H joins to H matches H. So H down, H here. Okay. G down to here. Right? And I can definitely heavy in F to G. Because F joins to G here. So they're going to join. And the reason I can heavy them in is because I'm confident they're not going to be hidden by anything. Right, now, I'll do this big surface here now. Okay, I, J, K, L. So I, J, K, L. I slash E, J, K, L. Over here now. So in this view, when you look in from the side, J slash I, K slash L. Now I want to bring these numbers down, or these letters rather. So J and K down. Letters down from elevation as well. J down, K down, L down. So look, there's L, where L touches L. I now brought down. So I touches I. There's point I. Where J touches J. So look, J down till it touches J. And K down until it touches K. So there's K. Now we can join these letters together. So L joins to I. L joins to I. I joins to J, J to K, and K to L. So I to J next. J to K. K to L. Now I can join G to H. Now I'm allowed to do that now. So a portion of that is going to be not heavied in. Right, and see what I mean there? Earlier I went just too heavy with that line there. In there, didn't need to be so heavy. F joins to A, because it's A slash F. Okay, now let's do the bottom block here in 3D. Alright? So I'm going to bring this point down, this one down here, and that's the thickness of the bottom block in isometric. Right? I want to bring this point down, and it's going to stop in line with there. I can heavy that together. Now we can join these together here. Now, look, if I want to get this here, this line, I'm going to bring this point down. So it stops here. Okay, and now I can bring this one down. It hits with this one here. And I can join a portion of them. Right. So no need to join past that line there, as they will not be seen. And I can heavy here, and I can heavy this line to there. Now I'll deal with the curved section, the cylindrical section. Right. Okay, so what I'm going to do is divide my circle up into 60-30. So you can do that with your set squares or your compass here, dividing it into 60-30. Now, I want to number these. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, I need to get the heights of these numbers. Okay, in order to be able to do this in elevation, or in 3D, I need to get the heights. Okay, of each of these numbers. Right, okay, so now that I've these points brought down to here and those lines are parallel to this edge here, we're going to take our compass and we're going to transfer the heights over. So look, set my compass here to this height, to the base to 4, okay, and that should be the same as the base to 2. I'm going to go over here and mark it in. So I'll just move that over. So that's 4/2. This is 3. Alright. Now we need the height of 5. So we're going to lift that now, and we're going to put it here. So that's the height of 5 and 1. So 5/1. Now we have 6/0. I just got some more heavying in to do here for my end view. So I'm gonna heavy in there. There. Now we're at 5. Now we have 7 to do. So there's 7 brought over to here, and then 8. So there's 7 and 8. And then we can 9 there after J, so 9. Right, same concept as before. Bring the points down at 30 degrees. So down at 30 degrees. Now it might be easier to do one at a time. So 3, 4 and 2. Five and 1. Six and 0. Now 7 and 8. Nine. Right, and then this is going to heavy here, and these are going to be heavy. Right, I'm going to pause, freehand sketch them in. So if those points is sketched in, so we're nearly finished now here. So just to complete the back, make this into a cylinder and the back here, I need to bring down this point, and it's going to stop there. I'm going to heavy that in, and now heavy there as long as it can go. These are going to join together in a very clever way of making this into this circle into a portion of a cylinder is to bring, look, just point down here the back face of it down. The hits there, right at 3. Take your compass, set your compass to that distance, mark on each of the 30-degree lines from the numbers. Okay, as far as to there, and back to 2. Now I'm going to sketch them in. I'm going to pause and sketch those in. So there it is there, and then finally heavy that line in, and that's the question complete. Cheers, thank you, bye bye.